Hi there, welcome to Mitoworld. To enter your world, click on Enter World. Click on the color variation button to change into different variation of your world. To upload your personalized content, click on the plus button. You can upload 3D objects, pictures, videos, background music, and 360 panoramic photo to change the skybox. Click on the Save button to save your customization work. To preview your world, click on Preview World button. To share your love to the world you're visiting, click on the Love button. You can take a photo or share the world to others with the Screenshot and Share button. Customize your avatar by clicking on the Avatar button. Adjust your background music volume with the Music button and access to more settings with the Settings button. You can view the navigation controls through the Settings menu. Walk around the world with WASD or arrow keys. Click and drag on the world to pan the camera. Use the scroll wheel of your mouse for zooming in and out. You can jump by pressing spacebar. Access to different animations with number 1 to 5 to express your feelings. Edit and uploaded content by clicking on it. You can unlock to change its position or add a description. That's it. Start creating your first world now. See you in MITOWorld.